I am Numi, and these are my bees. We're in November already, and snow in Erie County, New York. And this is my winterization of the bees. Basically, I have wraps around them, and I have entrance reducers, and of course bales of hay all over the place. Yeah, I should have brought that bee bath in earlier, but I didn't. The back, it's like a fortress of solitude for bees. Isn't that cool? Oh yeah. So the bees are huddled together, making themselves warm, and I'm trying to do the same thing. I'm also thinking about putting some type of tarp or something over. So anyway, again, this is Numi and his bees signing off till next time.